What if I told you financial independence isn't just about earning money, it's about making money work for you? Whether you're managing home full time or climbing the corporate ladder, your financial future is in your hands. The secret to this is investing wisely. Do you agree women are natural planners? We manage households, careers, and everything in between, but often we leave finances to someone else. Isn't it time to change that? I'll give you a fact today. Women live longer than men, which means we need to know how to manage our money. The best way is investing early and investing right. So let me help you about how do we start this and how to invest smartly. Here are three strategies specifically tailored for you. Strategy number 1 is investing into mutual funds for smart growth. Use SIPs as a tool. Start with little amounts and build it on. It's best for homemakers and working women looking for long-term wealth creation. Strategy 2 is having fixed deposits or bonds for security, low risk, and steady returns. Best for women who prefer safe investments with stable income. Now, the strategy 3 is investing into stock market for higher growth. There is a potential for high returns if you stay invested for long term. Now, this is best for working professionals looking to build wealth faster. Remember, the key is diversification. Don't put all your money into one place. Now imagine having financial security without working those extra long hours, ability to take breaks from work, that freedom which allows you to do whatever you love to do. That power comes from passive income. So now let's understand how do we build this passive income. While you are in your active work stage, heavily focus on dividend paying stocks, invest in them, get paid for the holding of that stocks. Second is real estate investments, invest it so that you get some rental income. Third is build a side hustle, maybe it's your passion or something which will generate some income. Final thing is invest in income generating assets that make money while you sleep. Financial independence starts with a single step. Today, make that commitment to start investing. Don't keep procrastinating it. Start even if it is a small amount. Financial empowerment is in your hands. Start today and do whatever you want to do in your life with confidence and courage. If you like this video and found it helpful, please shower some love to this video and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for such more financial tips.